Prepare to embark on a journey through the cutting-edge realm of strategic air superiority. The B-21 Raider, the Air Force's next-generation stealth bomber, takes center stage, promising to replace aging aircraft and maintain dominance in an evolving security landscape. With its stealth features, long-range capabilities, and ability to carry conventional and nuclear weapons, the B-21 Raider emerges as a formidable asset. As the USAF sets its sights on modernizing its bomber force, this captivating exploration reveals the transformative impact of the B-21 Raider in safeguarding the nation's interests and staying ahead of emerging threats. The B-21 Raider, the Air Force's next-generation stealth bomber, marks a significant advantage in the United States' strategic capabilities. As the successor to aging bomber aircraft such as the B-1 and B-2, the B-21 Raider is designed to uphold air superiority and maintain the USAF's ability to project power globally. This paper provides a comprehensive examination of the B-21 Raider, highlighting its key features, capabilities, and the implications it holds for the modernization of the Air Force's bomber force. In an era of evolving geopolitical landscapes and increasingly sophisticated adversaries, the need for a technologically superior and operationally agile strategic bomber became evident. The B-21 Raider project was initiated to address these requirements and ensure the USAF remains at the forefront of air dominance. Developed by Northrop Grumman, the B-21 Raider incorporates cutting-edge technologies and revolutionary design principles to achieve its mission objectives. Stealth capabilities lie at the heart of the B-21 Raider's design. By integrating advanced materials, coatings, and innovative shaping techniques, the aircraft's radar cross-section is significantly reduced, rendering it difficult to detect by enemy air defenses. This stealth design enables the B-21 Raider to penetrate deep into contested airspace, gather critical intelligence, and execute precision strikes with minimal risk of detection, enabling the Air Force to achieve its operational objectives effectively. The B-21 Raider possesses exceptional long-range capabilities. Equipped with state-of-the-art engines and incorporating advanced fuel efficiency measures, the aircraft can cover extensive distances while carrying a substantial payload. This range allows the USAF to project power globally and rapidly respond to emerging threats across the world, ensuring deterrence and maintaining a strong military presence. Another vital aspect of the B-21 Raider's capabilities is its ability to carry both conventional and nuclear weapons. This flexibility empowers the Air Force to adapt to a wide range of mission scenarios, from conventional warfare to strategic strikes. The integration of precision-guided munitions enhances the B-21 Raider's effectiveness in delivering accurate and devastating attacks against high-value targets, further reinforcing the USAF's ability to achieve operational superiority. The acquisition of the B-21 Raider underscores the USAF's commitment to modernizing its bomber force. With plans to procure around 100 B-21s, the Air Force aims to replace older bombers, ensuring a robust and capable fleet capable of meeting the challenges of the 21st century. By doing so, the USAF strengthens its ability to penetrate sophisticated enemy defenses, enhance survivability, and stay ahead of evolving threats. The B-21 Raider represents a transformative leap forward for the USAF's bomber force. With its stealth features, long-range capabilities, and versatile payload options, the B-21 Raider serves as a cornerstone in the modernization efforts of the Air Force. By investing in this next-generation platform, the USAF aims to maintain air superiority, enhance deterrence, and respond effectively to emerging global security challenges, thereby ensuring the United States' ability to protect its national interests and uphold its commitments to allies and partners around the world. The need for a next-generation stealth bomber arose due to the aging fleet of B-1 and B-2 bombers. The B-21 Raider, developed by Northrop Grumman, incorporates advanced stealth technology, allowing it to penetrate sophisticated enemy defenses undetected. Its long-range strike capabilities and ability to carry both conventional and nuclear weapons make it a formidable asset for the USAF. One of the most distinctive and critical aspects of the B-21 Raider is its advanced stealth technology. Designed with a low observable or stealth profile, the B-21 Raider possesses a reduced radar cross-section and enhanced signature management capabilities, making it highly elusive to enemy radars and sensors. These stealth features allow the aircraft to operate in highly contested and hostile airspace, penetrating deep into enemy territory undetected, gathering visual intelligence, and executing precise strikes. The B-21 Raider's stealth characteristics are a result of meticulous design considerations and the integration of advanced materials and techniques. The aircraft's outer surfaces are carefully contoured to minimize its radar reflections, reducing its visibility on enemy radar screens. Additionally, the B-21 Raider incorporates special coatings that absorb or scatter radar waves, further diminishing its radar signature. The combination of these design elements effectively reduces the probability of detection, enhancing the aircraft's survivability in high-threat environments. The B-21 Raider utilizes innovative technologies to counter other detection methods, such as infrared and acoustic sensors. By incorporating heat-absorbing materials and exhaust management systems, the aircraft significantly reduces its infrared signature, making it challenging to detect using heat-seeking missiles. Acoustic signature reduction measures, such as sound-dampening materials and engine design optimizations, further enhance the B-21 Raider's ability to operate covertly, minimizing the chances of detection through sound-based sensors. To counter potential threats posed by advanced radar systems, the B-21 Raider is equipped with Advanced Electronic Warfare (EW) capabilities. The aircraft's EW suite includes sophisticated jamming systems and defensive measures designed to disrupt and deceive enemy radars, missiles, and other electronic sensors. By effectively jamming or confusing enemy systems, the B-21 Raider enhances its survivability by reducing the likelihood of detection, tracking, and engagement by hostile forces. The B-21 Raider's stealth features extend beyond its physical design and incorporate advanced software and systems. The aircraft's avionics and mission systems are specifically developed to minimize electromagnetic emissions, reducing the risk of detection by enemy electronic intelligence systems. The integration of advanced data encryption and secure communication systems also enhances the B-21 Raider's ability to operate covertly in highly contested environments. It is important to note that the B-21 Raider's stealth technology is not limited to evading detection during its approach to the target. The aircraft's design also allows it to remain stealthy during its operational mission, ensuring it can successfully complete its objectives without compromising its position or revealing critical information to adversaries. The B-21 Raider's stealth features provide the USAF with a distinct advantage in modern warfare. By significantly reducing its visibility to enemy radars, infrared sensors, and acoustic detection systems, the B-21 Raider can penetrate hostile airspace with reduced risk of interception or engagement. This stealth capability enables the aircraft to conduct reconnaissance, gather intelligence, and execute precision strikes deep within enemy territory, effectively disrupting and neutralizing enemy capabilities while minimizing its vulnerability to counterattacks. The B-21 Raider's advanced stealth features represent a technological marvel, revolutionizing the USAF's ability to conduct strategic operations in highly contested environments. Through its reduced radar cross-section, signature management techniques, advanced electronic warfare capabilities, and optimized software systems, the B-21 Raider ensures its ability to operate covertly, maintaining a decisive advantage over adversaries and contributing to the USAF's mission of air superiority and global security. The USAF's decision to modernize its bomber force with the acquisition of approximately 100 B-21 Raiders represents a significant commitment to maintaining a technologically advanced and operationally effective strategic bombing capability. By investing in this next-generation platform, the USAF demonstrates its commitment to maintaining a technologically superior and operationally effective bomber force in the face of emerging global challenges. The B-21 Raider stands as a testament to the Air Force's unwavering dedication to protecting national interests and maintaining global security in an ever-evolving world. Don't miss out on the latest updates and insights on the B-21 Raider and other fascinating topics in aerospace and military technology. Hit that subscribe button now and join our community of enthusiasts, experts, and curious minds.